Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Growing but cash-strapped companies like business development company, or BDCs for short, because they provide them with much-needed capital to expand their businesses. A lot of well-known companies have benefited from help of BDCs, including Facebook, YouTube, and Etsy. Investors, meanwhile, like BDCs, because they loan out capital at higher than average interest rates and because of corporate loophole, they need to return at least 90% of earnings to shareholders. And that can result in ultra high yield dividends above 10%. Better still, some BDCs not only provide a growing distribution, but they also pay out regular special dividends. And that's what you're getting with FS KKR Capital Corp, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol FSK. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. FS KKR Capital Corp is a BDC that provides capital solutions to middle market U.S. companies with annual revenue between, I think it's like $10 million and $2.5 billion. EBITDA of $50 million to $100 million. Now, it invests primarily in the senior secured debt market, with I think 89.4% of debt investments being floating rate. The remaining 10.6% are fixed rate. It also seeks to invest in second lien secured loans and, to a lesser extent, subordinated loans or mezzanine loans. What kind of companies does FSK invest in? Let's start off with kind of companies it doesn't invest in. That includes startup companies, turnaround situations, or companies with speculative business plans. Now, its current portfolio consists of 205 companies across 24 different industries, with a total investment at a fair value of $14.2 billion. Now, by sector, its biggest exposure is to software and services, followed by capital goods and commercial and professional services.
And I was reading on incomeinvestors.com that it reported another solid quarter and another special dividend.
Yeah, for the first quarter ended March 31st, 2024, FS KKR Capital reported net investment income of 76 cents per share compared to 71 cents per share in the first quarter of 2023. Adjusted net income was 73 cents per share versus 75 cents per share in the same period last year. Now, earnings per share almost doubled, which was impressive on a sequential basis, to 62 cents from 32 cents for the quarter ended December 31st, 2023. Now, thanks to strong cash generation, FS KKR's board declared a second quarter distribution of 70 cents per share and special distribution of 5 cents per unit for a combined second quarter distribution of 75 cents per unit. Now, at current prices, so to an annual forward distribution of $2.80 per unit for a current yield of 13.71%. Now, FS KKR Capital has declared an extra special dividend every quarter, actually, since the end of 2022. The company will announce its second quarter results on August 6th, 2024. After the market is closed. So we'll have to find out then if another special dividend is in the cards.
John, finally, how is FSK Stock doing?
On July 22nd, FS KKR Capital stock actually hit a new record high of $20.48 per share. Now, as of this recording, FS KKR Capital Corp stock is actually up 9% year to date and 18% on an annual basis. FSK stock is also up 26% since we last looked at it in May of 2024.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Now, just to recap, FS KKR Capital Corp continues to be a great BDC with 65% of its investments covered by senior secured debt and 89% of debt investments are floating rate. It reported a solid start for 2024, generating 73 cents per share of adjusted net investment income and annualized return on equity of 10%. Looking ahead, management said, and I quote, "The long-term earnings power of FSK continues to be healthy," and unquote, giving it ability to continue to reward shareholders with attractive distributions. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.